Hello, and how's everybody doing? Today's topic is on the weather brief. A winter storm that dumped 17 inches of snow in parts of Indiana and the Northeast is still menacing some regions with power outages, icy roads, and frigid cold. The storm left a 2,000-mile trail of snow, sleet, and freezing rain from Texas to the Northeast and dumped snow on New York, Vermont, Indiana, Maine, Michigan, New Hampshire, Ohio, and Pennsylvania, the National Weather Service said. As the storm passes, it will bring a wintry weekend in its wake with bitterly cold temperatures expected across a huge swath of the country from the southern plains to the northeast, the National Weather Report said. The coldest temperature anomalies will be located in Texas and the middle Mississippi Valley, where they look to range between 15 and 25 degrees below normal, a Saturday forecast says. By Sunday, the weather is expected to gradually warm up. Well, over 100,000 customers in states including Tennessee, New York, Ohio, Texas, West Virginia were without power Saturday morning, according to poweroutage.com. Well, if you live in these particular states or these particular regions, be safe and stay safe. Don't go out unless it's really necessary. That's my time. Signing off.